Donc voilà, un match avec Edge déjà.
Approaching the ring from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing 241 pounds, the Rated R Superstar, Edge. Can you dig it? And his opponent, from Houston, Texas, weighing 256 pounds, Booker T.
Quoi, l'aspirant au titre du monde poids lourd.
Number one contender. You can't be serious. This isn't really going to happen. Well, I'm pretty sure it is. It hits the drop kick. What impact. And he put everything he had behind that item. Booker T one step ahead. What's your take on Booker T, King? Booker T brings tremendous experience. A multi-time world champion. He's a king of the ring winner and a tag team specialist. Booker's accomplished just about everything in our business. Like a dart, he crashes right into those steps. He's got a split personality, Michael, and I don't like either one of them. When you go up against Edge, you have to watch out for all of his tools. The spear, his big DDT, and the Rated R Superstar's most dangerous tool, his mind. Whoa, whoa! What? He have his eyes open? Uh-oh, this is bad. Intercepted. And Booker gets stunned momentarily. Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here.
C'est la personne cool.
Booker T is focused here. Edge again heading to the top. And Edge is begging him to bring it here. Not this time. And the boot connects with the abdomen. DDT. Edge lifts him up and drops him right on his head.
Spear.
Goldust is heading toward the ring. His shoulders are down. You get him down for the pin. Turn around, man. The tension, the drama. This is electric. He's fighting back. I want to touch on something real quick, and that's the cunning of the Rated R Superstar. For most guys, when they get in the ring against Edge, they're already in a psychological disadvantage. A fever pitch is here in the WWE Universe. And just egging his opponent off. Edge has made a career out of being very opportunistic. He knows how to capitalize on any mistake. Going top rope once more. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez, what a gamble. Got the arm off. Hey! The eyes of Edge showing this could do it. One, two, three. No, he kicked out. King, as soon as this match is over, we may need our medical personnel down here to check on the injured ribs and back. And if this keeps up much more, we may need him down here before that. In a boot to the gut. Uh-oh, trying to put him away. And Edge smashes his opponent's face into the floor. Spear! Wow! He might be broken in two! And another spear! Into the cover, hooks the leg. One, two, three! Edge wins! Edge got it!
Ouais, voilà, l'aspirant au titre championnat du monde poids lourd. Voilà, c'est le Rated R Superstar Edge. C'est pas vraiment s'il se passe quelque chose. Ouais. Bon, bah voilà. Bah, à la prochaine vidéo.